Enhance your contact center platform to better cater to your business needs.
Now, let's get started. First, we enter the call center. Here we can configure the IVR. Now, let's click on a demo to edit. There is already a start node. Let's add a voice playback node and double-click it. Here we can add remarks. The voice node is mandatory, and we can select an existing voice from the list or create a new one ourselves. Additionally, we can choose text-to-speech here. Let's connect these two nodes. Add a collect input node, drag it onto the canvas. Similarly, we need to add a node voice. Select Press 1 to sign up for membership. Select Input Type. We can fill in the wait time here. Add an information judgment node. And we need to add rules. Select the condition as user input equal to 1. Fill in the rule name. Connect the collect input and information judgment nodes. Add an enter queue node. Adjust the overall layout. Now a simple IVR is completed. Don't forget to save.